Collingwood. So we've never been to this town, and so it looks really nice. It's close to all the big beaches like Wasaga Beach, Blue Mountain for skiing. So it's really nice, very convenient.
Charming town.
Yeah. So we're gonna walk downtown. Then there's the lake, and we're gonna go to the lake.
And
So,
it's a lot of red and white today because it's Canada Day.
yeah, it's Canada Day today. Right.
Happy birthday!
So anyway, we're gonna turn this around and we're gonna carry on going. So I guess we reached the harbour, Mrs. N.
Yes, we're right at the dead end of the town.
So this is the Georgian Bay. Okay, Mrs. Zen, this is Sunset
Beach.
Sunset Beach. Okay guys, one thing about this place, it's $10 per hour for parking. That's
Pretty pricey.
yeah, pretty pricey. So you're gonna come here for like 6 hours, you're gonna pay $60. And or apparently, I don't know if I read it right, you can pay a yearly fee and you can park here, and it's like $50 for the year, but I don't think it's right. Mrs. Zen, what do you think?
Collingwood, really lovely town. Very quaint downtown. Lots to do here. If you're a foodie, restaurants, the beach is right here. Very calm, tranquil. I love it.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's one of those places busy year round, because in winter they got skiing and all that, and in summer they got the lakes and everything else. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.